Looking to boost your income and achieve financial freedom in 2024? Join me as we uncover the best ways to make money in the current landscape, from traditional methods to cutting-edge opportunities that leverage technology, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Hey there, moneymakers and opportunity seekers. Are you ready to discover the most lucrative ways to earn a living in 2024? Today, we're exploring a variety of income-generating strategies that cater to different skills, interests, and lifestyles. Let's dive in. First on our list is freelancing, a flexible and rewarding way to monetize your skills and expertise on your own terms. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a talented beginner, freelancing platforms offer opportunities to find clients, showcase your work, and earn money doing what you love. E-commerce and dropshipping are also booming in 2024, providing opportunities for entrepreneurs to start their own online businesses with minimal investment. By identifying profitable niches, sourcing products from suppliers, and leveraging digital marketing strategies, entrepreneurs can create successful e-commerce ventures and generate passive income streams. Investing and trading continue to be reliable ways to grow wealth and generate passive income in 2024. Whether you're a long-term investor or a savvy trader, the key is to diversify your portfolio, stay informed about market trends, and make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Content creation and monetization have also become lucrative avenues for earning money in today's digital age. By producing engaging content, building a loyal following, and leveraging multiple revenue streams, content creators can turn their passion into profit and achieve financial independence. Lastly, the gig economy and side hustles offer additional opportunities to supplement your income and pursue your passions. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash, explore new interests, or build valuable skills, the gig economy and side hustles provide flexible options to fit your lifestyle and financial goals. In conclusion, the best ways to make money in 2024 offer a diverse range of opportunities for individuals to achieve financial success and independence. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, investing, content creation, or gig economy work, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for those willing to seize them. So let's make 2024 the year of financial abundance and prosperity. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the best ways to make money in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on wealth building and financial empowerment. Until next time, here's to your success and prosperity.